Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best small sewing table is probably one of the most sought-after items for crafters and sewing enthusiasts with limited space, offering a perfect blend of functionality and compact design. This video will dive deep into the world of small sewing tables, exploring key features, essential considerations, and our top picks to help you find the ideal table to elevate your sewing experience, regardless of the size of your workspace. We'll examine various aspects, from tabletop size and storage solutions to portability and overall build quality, ensuring you make an informed decision that perfectly suits your needs and budget. Number 5. Best Choice Folding Sewing Table. It has 2 rows of pegs, 2 storage trays, a large shelf, and a spacious tabletop. Keep all your sewing essentials neatly organized and within easy reach. It's perfect for sewing, crafting, or even as a convenient work desk. Adapt it to your needs, whether you're creating clothes or working on other projects. With its easy glide wheels, it's simple to move around your home. When not in use, it folds away compactly, saving valuable space. Once you're finished, simply close it up and it transforms into a stylish side table. It looks great in any room. Made with durable MDF wood and metal hinges, it provides a sturdy and wobble-free workspace. The lockable wheels and magnetic doors keep everything secure while moving it. When open, it measures 46L x 14.75 W x 30.5 inches. When closed, it's a compact 23L x 14.75 W x 31 inches, making storage a breeze. What we like? It is a great space saver with surprising storage. If you need a dedicated crafting station that's also easy to tuck away, this is perfect for you. Its mobility makes it ideal for small spaces or those who like to move their workspace around. What people say? It's your basic particle board furniture, nothing fancy. But at the same time, the finish is really nice. Even the bottom edges of the door and sides are finished, nearly everything is really. The shelves are generous. I got rid of a bunch of patterns before my move, but with a few plastic bins, the inner shelf will be a nice storage area for the ones I kept and buy in the future. The shelves on the door are great and had room for my oft-used notions and then some. It took me about 1.5 hours to assemble, and I took my time and made sure to be careful when tightening screws to assure I didn't strip the wood. My unit is sturdy, but the wheels are plastic, which really do not roll that well, but ultimately it's still easy to get the door open and my floors are not damaged. The instructions are super easy to follow, and as you can see, all pieces are labeled with numbers or letters, so there is no guessing on which piece goes where. Number 4. Sew Ready Comet Hobby Center. This stylish and functional table offers ample workspace for all your creative endeavors. It's perfect for sewing, crafting, or even working on your computer. With its generous tabletop, you'll have plenty of room to spread out your projects. It's designed to make your creative process easier and more enjoyable. It features a large lower shelf for storing all your supplies, keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. The unique platform shelf adjusts to fit various sewing machine heights. It can also be used as a convenient spot for your laptop or keyboard. Built with heavy-gauge steel and a thick tabletop, it's designed to withstand years of use. It's a sturdy and reliable addition to your workspace. It's 45.5 inches wide, 23.5 inches deep, and 30 inches high. It has a generous weight capacity, ensuring it can handle all your projects. What we like? This table is sturdy and built to last. If you have a heavy sewing machine or need a stable workspace for other crafts, it's a great choice. The adjustable shelf is a real plus for different sewing machines and other uses. What people say? Easy RO assemble and very sturdy. Perfect for a Brother SM3701. All parts were there and labeled. Screws were also sorted by number, and instructions were pretty much picture construction map only, but pretty common sense to follow. The assembled product is exactly as described and works well for a sewing machine stand. Top is perfect size for sewing. Sturdy. Shelves and small drawer is great for storing sewing supplies. Easy to put together. Number 3. SewingRite SewStation 101. Transform your craft space into a dedicated sewing area. It's the perfect solution for home, office, or business use. This sturdy table supports up to 50 pounds. The durable laminate surface is scratch and cut resistant. With 5.5 square feet of space, it's perfect for sewing and cutting. It's a versatile addition to your workspace. Steel legs provide a rock-solid foundation for your sewing machine. You'll have a stable and secure workspace. When you're finished sewing, simply fold it up and store it away. It's easy to tuck away in a closet or under a bed. This portable sewing table makes sewing easier and more enjoyable. It's the perfect addition to any sewing enthusiast space. What we like? It's lightweight and easy to store away. If you're looking for a simple, portable sewing table that's easy to set up and put away, this one is a winner. The durable top is great for protecting your work surface. What people say? Easy to set up. It came basically ready to go. Perfect height and easy to move around. I've been using this table off and on for about 2 years and it's held up well. It has wheels that make it easier to transport on hard surfaces, but I use it on carpet, so it's not that helpful to me. There is a ruler on the front of the table that I don't use much, but I like that it's there and can give me quick rough measurements if I need it. The mechanism to raise and lower the piece that holds the sewing machine is easy enough to use, though getting the security pin in the right spot can be a little tricky. I also like that it has a decent-sized area on each side of the table. I use the left side to give more support for larger pieces of fabric and the right side to hold pins, scissors, etc. It's already put together, so no hassle with that. You open up the legs and clamp them down until you hear a click and it's 100% assembled. 1 minute max total time. It comes with an adjustable lever for the center table to put the machine lower or higher. The table has a measuring tape on the seated side, so that's a bonus. Overall, I tested and sewed some scrap material and the table is sturdy and didn't move for me. Number 2. Folding sewing table. It has everything you need right at your fingertips. Plenty of room for your yarn, scissors, and all your sewing notions. You'll love the extra space for your projects. Need more space? It folds away easily, transforming into a stylish side table. It's perfect for small spaces and versatile for any room. Move it around effortlessly with its 5 casters. Lock the wheel securely when you find the perfect spot. It's stable and ready for your next project. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. The sturdy construction and secure locks ensure stability and durability. You can count on it for years to come. Setting it up is a breeze. Clear instructions and all the tools you need are included. You'll be sewing in no time. When open, it's 46L x 15.8 W x 30.5 H inches. When closed, it's a compact 23L x 14.8 W x 30.5 H inches. It fits perfectly in any space. What we like? This table offers ample storage without sacrificing style. If you need a lot of storage for your sewing supplies and want a table that's easy to move and store, this is a great option. The foldable design makes it perfect for smaller spaces. What people say? The wheels are great. They make this table portable and you can move it anywhere around the house. The wheels lock also, so the table does not move while you are sewing. The cabinet stores all your sewing supplies and my machine fits well on the top. It has enough workspace for me to work for hours on a sewing project. The shelving areas come handy while working to keep spools of thread or other necessary materials nearby. The table extension is a nice option for larger jobs because it offers a larger workspace, about 25" to 30, even with a full-size machine. Once closed, the machine fits well on the shelf underneath for easy storage. It is sturdy, but I wouldn't recommend leaning on it too much while open because it is not heavy wood and may topple if you place more weight in the unit itself. The small wheels help transport the table from room to room, but they don't feel super sturdy, so I suggest hauling carefully if you need to move it often. The wheels also have a brake-stop option to keep them from moving. Number 1. Sew Ready Folding Table. It boasts a 47.5-inch wide tabletop, perfect for your sewing projects or as a spacious workspace. Its stylish design complements any room. With its convenient fold-in legs, it's easy to set up and store away. It's versatile enough for sewing, crafting, or even as a computer desk. The unique shelf adjusts to 6 different heights, accommodating various sewing machines. It can also hold your laptop or keyboard. Made with a powder-coated steel frame and a thick tabletop, it's built to last. Floor levelers ensure stability on uneven surfaces. It adds a fashionable touch to your office, studio, or craft room. Its dimensions are 47.5 inches wide, 28 inches deep, and 30 inches high. It offers plenty of room to keep your sewing supplies or office essentials organized and within easy reach while you work. What we like. It's perfect for those who need a large workspace. If you have lots of sewing projects or like to spread out while you work, this spacious table is a great choice. The adjustable shelf is also a bonus for various needs. What people say. With 3 drawers and a shelf, everything is in easy reach. Cords are managed via a hole they thread through and keeps them contained and out of the way. They were easy to put together and very sturdy. It is a heavy table and the instructions said to have someone help with turning it upright. It is a sturdy table. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.